Hello everyone, my name is Lakshya and today I'm going to tell you about where Goddess Lakshmi stays for a long time. Wishing you a happy and safe Diwali. I'm going to explain this by telling you a story, which is from Grandma Bags of Stories book written by Sudha Murthy. Let's begin. Once when Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, found herself cornered by all other gods. Together they accused her of one thing, or that she never stayed in one place for too long. No sooner are comfortably settled in one house, do you decide to leave it and off you go elsewhere? They said to her. Lakshmi sniffed and said, "That's not true. I stay in a house as long as I am welcomed. If people think ahead, work sincerely, and spend money wisely, I stay with them forever. Unfortunately, often when I am in one place for a while, people behave strangely, and I have no choice but to leave." The other gods refused to believe her. Poor Lakshmi decided she needed to show them proof of what she had just said. Here is what did to show that she was correct. Ramu and Rani were farmers. They worked hard in their fields to earn enough money to feed their children and meet their other needs. They were not rich and sometimes had to make do with fewer new clothes and not very nice food. One day, Rani was digging a corner of her garden in order to plant a tree. As she dug deeper, there was a loud clang. She shovel had hit something metallic hidden underground. Excited, she dug faster till she pulled out a large metal box. When she opened it, she could not believe her eyes. It was filled with gold and silver jewels. For a while, Rani stood dumbstruck. Then she did a happy whoop and ran home with the box under her arm. "Ramu, Ramu, see what I have found, buried in our garden," she yelled. Ramu was writing up the accounts for the month and for a while paid no attention on his wife. Only when she came up to him and did a happy jig around him did he look up. Imagine how his mouth fell open in the surprise when he saw the box of jewels. Soon Ramu and Rani were the richest people in the village. They stopped going to work. After all, what was the need? They told each other. Why work in the hot sun when they had piles of money at home? They left their small cottage and moved into the biggest house in the village. They had servants who worked day and night doing every small job. So the two did not need a lift, even a finger. There was a cook who cooked delicious meals, a person to serve it, another just to clean shoes, and one person to even fan Ramu as he sat on his bed the whole day and gossiped with his newfound friends. Ramu decided village life was too boring and moved to a big city. There they had another big house, more servants, and lots of fun at various parties. Slowly they forgot the good things that they had once made them a well-loved family. They forgot to work hard to help others in need or to just be nice people. They thought that with money they could buy anything, including respect. They behaved rudely to others. They spent more and more money on clothes and parties, as they did not work at all. The money started dwindling. They started borrowing from others, which they could soon not pay back. One day, Ramu looked sadly on his account book. It was now filled with numbers that showed he only needed to pay others. There was hardly anything left for himself. In a heavy voice, he called out to his wife, Rani dear, the good days are over. I think we forgot to be kind, Goddess Lakshmi likes. She has gone elsewhere, and we are left with nothing. Rani stood silently for a while, then replied, Never mind, Ramu. We have learnt our lesson. Now I think of those days when I would work hard all day long and go to sleep a tired person and sleep soundly. I would fall into a deep slumber as soon as I lay down on the bed. Now I lie awake all night wondering which saree to wear the next day and what to do with our money. I am too fat to even dig, like I did when I found the treasure. Ramu smiled and hugged his wife. We will go back to our village and to our old days. We will work hard like we did once, and we will help everyone around us. Maybe that will make Goddess Lakshmi, come back to us one day. And even if she doesn't, we will try and be happy with what we have. So Ramu and his family went back to their old home, and do you know what? They lived happily ever after. The gods watched what happening with Ramu and Rani from the heavens as Lakshmi entered and left their house. They had to agree with her. If the people of the house she entered became nasty, then what could she do except leave and hope they saw the error of their ways? During this pandemic situation, we should help people. Then only Goddess Lakshmi will enter your house and stay with you forever. Again, wishing you a happy and safe Diwali.